Oh hey, I'm Dr. Jacinta Di Prinzio from Open Space Healing, Fremantle's hub for all things chiropractic wellness, and today we're talking about jaw pain. Now, if you have ever suffered from jaw pain or temporary mandibular joint pain, then you know how frustrating it can be. Jaw pain, stiffness, etc. can be caused by some of these things, including stress, trauma, neck problems, TMJ or jaw problems, and even hip misalignment. Today, I'll be taking you through a very simple and effective way that you can give yourself a beautiful jaw massage to relieve some of that aching pain. Find a place to sit or lay comfortably. Find your TMJ joint by placing your hands on either side of your face, just under your cheekbones. Open and close your mouth. You should feel the joint moving under your fingers. Using cream or coconut oil, massage your jaw by stroking your hands down your face and towards your chin. Next, move your hands in a circular motion with firm but comfortable pressure. Now move up your face towards your temple area and apply firm and comfortable circular strokes. Next, place your thumbs in the meaty part of the muscles under the jaw. Press into the muscles with firm pressure. Slowly start to open your mouth while moving your thumbs down your cheeks. And repeat 3 to 5 times. And that's a wrap. Try this at home and don't forget to share it with your loved ones. And of course, hit that subscribe button. We'll be here same time next week. And remember, by healing yourself, you inspire your tribe and transform your world. See you next time.